الآن يمكنكم المشاركة في مبادرة الأيام الرقمية تحت شعار انطلق بقوة مع جوجل، والتي يتناول فيها خبراء جوجل عناوين جديدة أسبوعيا مثل السحابيات، مهارات من جوجل، أندرويد، فلتر، ذكاء الآلة، فايربيس، ديزاين ثينكينج، مقسمة إلى دورات وورشات عمل يومية بالإضافة إلى مسابقات أسبوعية. شاهد الأيام الرقمية مباشرة على اليوتيوب وشارك رأيك وأسئلتك مع خبراء جوجل، واحصل على شهادة حضور في كل محاضرة تشترك فيها. هذا وأكثر من الأحد إلى الخميس ابتداء من الساعة 9 بتوقيت دبي عبر الرابط المبين youtube.com/gdgmena.
السلام عليكم، مساء الخير، إن شاء الله الكل يكون بخير. Good evening everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Good evening to our guests today and our mentors in Google Scholarship Program. I hope you're all doing well. This session will be in Arabic and English, so there will be some parts where it will be in Arabic and some other parts it will be in English. So let me introduce myself first. I am Sa'ud Mروى. I'm the project manager of Google Scholarship 2022, and I'm also a project manager and trainer at Bamboo Geeks. So first of all, and I'm pretty sure that many of you here are they are all here because they are already accepted in the Google Scholarship program. But first of all, many of you are also asking, what is Google Scholarship Program? So basically, Google has guaranteed, let's say, up to 4,000 certificates or licenses for people in the MENA region. Why? Because they want to encourage people, they want them to boost their careers in tech. But the thing that they asked us to do is to finish it by June 15. So can we do this? Yes, we can. How can we do it? We will discover how. So we will see what is professional certificate scholarship offered by Google. First of all, these tracks are okay. They are tech oriented. We have Google UX design, Google data analytics, Google project management, IT support, and Google IT automation with Python. But we know, and we must know that these let's say these specializations or these fields can help us in many other fields such as finance, energy, technology, of course, retail, real estate, because in every field, يعني في كل مجال, we can find IT everywhere, IT department everywhere. So that's why we need to enhance and we need to boost our skills in technology. What you should do exactly? So the thing is, you have to be accepted. How to be accepted? You first, and many of you has filled the form that we shared with you, or someone from your community shared with you. The second thing is you receive an acceptance, an email acceptance email from us, and you will be added to our Slack workspace. So we will define two things here. So we have Coursera and we have Slack workspace. What we will do in both. So basically in Slack workspace, we will always stay in touch with you in your learning career. كيف هذا؟ يعني في الوقت اللي انتم تتعلموا، يعني in the meantime while you are learning, while you are studying in this journey, we will always be with you. We will be your companion all the time. We will offer you sessions, we will offer you study jams, events, we will offer you guidance. That's why we have mentors with us, and these mentors were with us last year, and they are certified from Google in all the fields that are existed in this program: UX design, IT support, project management, and the rest. So in Slack, we will always stay in touch, and you have always to be connected to Slack, because that's where we will be in touch. We will tell you about the program. We will tell you about the events. We will tell you about the live sessions. We will tell you about sessions you will have with the mentors, where they will help you to be more let's say, to be more quickly to finish the tracks, like in very short period of time. So that's for Slack. For Coursera is the platform that all of us will study. So this scholarship is 100% online. So you will be on Coursera studying in these tracks. For example, UX design, project management, and the rest. Okay, so this is it. There are some of you who were asking about, should we have like an experience before in tech so that we can enroll, or we should have like some background in computer science, knowledge and everything. No experience necessary to study in these fields, or to start learning in these tracks. مش لازم يكون عندكم حتى تجربة من قبل في هذه المجالات حتى يعني تبدأوا. هذه المجالات كلهم entry level, beginner level، يعني يبدأوا من الأساسيات، يعني from zero to hero. Also في بعض الناس كانوا يسألوا على certificates، يعني على الشهادات. هذه الشهادات في الأخير في كل نهاية كل track راح يعطوكم شهادات من كورسيرا، يعني they are Google certified من كورسيرا وما إلى ذلك. I also mentioned بلي it's 100% online courses. والthing many of you were asking, when should we start and what's the perfect timing to study and everything. So basically you have a flexible schedule. انتم عندكم الوقت في اي وقت حبيتوا يعني anytime you want to start, you can start enrolling any track you want. Even if you in the form you wanted to enroll, for example, UX design, and then now you change your mind and you want to go for IT support, yes, you can do this. The flexible time, you have a flexible schedule or flexible time to enroll. For example, you can start now. There are some people who already started. You can start now, or you can start tomorrow, but it's like so important that you start in the very early soon in order to finish soon. Also, the courses will be all in English, except for the IT support. There are two versions. We have the Arabic version and the English version. You have almost 4 months to finish these courses. Okay, so we said till mid-June. Okay. We also have these kind of terms and conditions in order to stay with us on track. Basically, the first thing you need to know is, and we mentioned this earlier, do not share the invitations and the form with anyone. For example, if we send you a Coursera invitation, don't send it to anyone else. Also, you must commit to answer the facilitators' questions and follow-ups. That's why I mentioned you must always be online on Slack, because there will be events. We will ask you. You must attend some live sessions, etc. And if one of the facilitators or mentors contacted you, you must answer their questions. The third thing, ثالث شيء هو you must commit to all meetings and deadlines. So there are some deadlines. I will mention them now. You must commit to them. So أول شيء هو now, since we sent you the invitations to Coursera, etc., you must, it's important that you enter to a Coursera platform and enroll at least or enroll one track. ثاني شيء هو لازم تكون معنا على Slack. You must join us in our Slack workspace. ثالث شيء هو you must you must start studying soon, because if وصل يوم 28 February يعني February 28th and you didn't create an account in Coursera, you didn't accept our invitation, you didn't join our Slack workspace, you will be redeemed. يعني we will راح نسحبوا منك scholarship ولا راح نسحبوا منك الرخصة حتى حتى 15 of April يعني حتى 15 من يوم أبريل April 15th you must reach 50% of the progress. يعني لازم تكون خلصت على الأقل 50% من الكورس. أوكي؟ إذا ما خلصتش 50% من الكورس راح نسحبوا منك المنحة وراح نقدموها لأشخاص أخرى لأنه في العديد من الناس there are many people who applied and unfortunately because of we have like specific number we are limited with the number of licenses. We accepted some and some others are on the wait the wait list. So إذا you didn't commit to this deadlines يعني if you don't finish 50% of the course till mid-April we will redeem your scholarship. وآخر شيء هو لازم كل واحد فينا على الأقل يكمل ولا he finishes or she finishes at least one course منها حتى يوم June 15th. Okay. All these things I will tell them about I will like say them now again. If you do not meet the deadlines يعني إذا ما احترمتوش deadlines you will lose your scholarship. راح تخسروا المنحة. Your scholarship will be transferred to another student. يعني راح نعطيه المنحة خاصة بك إلى شخص آخر. You will lose all progress you made on the course. يعني راح تخسر كل progress you made on this course. You will not qualify for future scholarship. يعني ما راحش تكون عندك الفرصة أنك تحصل على منح أخرى. Okay, so هذو كلهم terms أو القواعد اللي لازم كل واحد منا or these are the terms that we must follow all along this journey. The next thing اللي هو program details. As I mentioned before, we have 5 tracks. We have Google Data Analytics Professional Certificates, Google Projects Management Professional Certificate, Google UX Design Professional Certificates, Google IT Support Professional Certificates, and Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificates. As you can see, كل هذا certificates عدد الساعات or time تاعهم ياخذوا من 100 حتى 200 ساعة. الأشخاص اللي الآن راهم يظنوا يعني or they are thinking or they have concerns of how they will study these courses, we will tell you how. That's why I asked you or we are asking you to join our Slack workspace حتى دايما تكون عندكم فكرة كيف البروسيس راهو يكون مع المنتورز وما إلى ذلك. So as we can see, we have in Google Data Analytics 180 ساعة, Google Project Management 140, UX Design وهو أطول كورس فيه 200 ساعة, Google IT Support و Google IT Automation فيهم 100 ساعة. Okay, so هنا نكونوا we have like a quick review على البروجرام و how everything works. If you think you deserve this scholarship, of course, since you are here with us, يعني some of you are here with us and they deserve this scholarship. That's why we accepted them in the program. If you think you deserve, we will share with you the link, and you will and please fill the form, and we will see if you deserve it or not. So that was all about the program. There are some people who were asking us about they were accepted actually. كنا اخترناهم من قبل, okay, ولكن they were added to our Slack workspace, but they didn't find Coursera invitations. Okay, so the thing they must know here is the thing that you must know is you must double check in your inbox, in your email inbox. راح يكون الإيميل تاع كورسيرا in your inbox, or please double check in the spam, because there are some emails they receive Slack invitations in the spam. Okay, and there are some others يعني اللي they asked us about. Okay, let me share my screen 1 second please. Okay, you can see my screen now. في بعض من الناس يعني دخلوا للبامبو ويك scholarship program. So when you join يعني تظهر لكم this page. So the only thing that they see is this project management for managers. But please guys, please everyone who's following us and who's like who found who had this concern, please scroll down and you will find all the other certificates. We have Google IT support in English and Google IT support in Arabic. We have IT automation in Python. Just scroll down and you will find the rest. We have Google Data Analytics, Google Project Management, and Google UX Design. So for people who ask this question, يعني من الناس اللي تسألوا على يعني كيف وإلا عندما دخلنا للبروجرام وجدنا الكورس the only course we found is Project Management for Managers. أنا نطلب منكم scroll down يعني انزلوا بالكورسور للتحت و you will find all the program, all the courses in the program. For example, I'm gonna enter to Google Data Analytics. So when I click, sorry, let me okay, cool. Okay, let me refresh. So when I scroll down, I will find the courses recommended by my organization. Please, meanwhile, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Okay, network problem. It's cool. We will try to answer to your questions meanwhile. راح نشوفه. I have. So Minna Taha, she's saying, I had submitted the form, but unfortunately I didn't receive any invitation for the program. Appreciate your support. Okay, Minna Taha, probably your request wasn't well received, so please try to apply again. We have another question, which is إذا خلصت الكورس في أقل من المدة المكتوبة أقدر أخذ كورس آخر. Yes, until ms.ms. Yes, إذا خلصت الكورس, for example, if you finished data analytics before mid June, you can enroll in another course. Okay. So بالنسبة للفورم راح يتم مشاركة معكم اللينك الخاص بموقع بامبو جيكس. ادخلوا للموقع, enter to or try to check Bamboo Geeks website. You will find the form. Please submit it. Okay. We have another question from محمد الصارم. هل يشترط دفع أي رسوم تسجيل في كورسيرا يطلب الاشتراك بعد مرور أسبوع؟ Okay, so يا أستاذ محمد الصارم, you don't have to pay anything since it's free scholarship offered by Google. It's a scholarship. والمنحة عادة ما تكون بدون دفع أي رسوم. So you don't have to worry about this. You won't pay any Okay, can we choose more than one track? Ed tutorial. Yes, you can choose more than one track. Of course, you have to finish at least one track first, and then you can enroll another one. Could I take 2 courses? Muhammad Bayrak. Yes, for sure, you can take 2 courses, but try to finish one course first. Are the weekly deadlines flexible? Amin Briki, that's why we're saying please try to stay connected to Slack, because we will be telling you about the deadlines and the mentors will be there to guide you. مرحبا، لماذا تلك الكورسات لا تدعم اللغة العربية في الفيديوهات أو النص المكتوب أو تدعم الترجمة تدعمه كورسيرا؟ Okay, this thing يا نور الدين صدوق. Actually we have only IT support track اللي هي مدعومة باللغة العربية. The others no, we are so sorry. هذا الشيء يعني تابع الكورسيرا، يعني هذا الشيء خاص بكورسيرا وليس بنا. Can I join UX design and data analytics a tutorial? Yes, for sure. Just finish UX design first and then you can enroll data analytics or the contrary. هل يوجد منتدى سلاك كيفية الدراسة هل تكون application للنقاش؟ هل الدراسة هل ستكون على application Slack وهل منتدى okay, so Slack راح نستعملوه يا مرمر word راح نستعملوه to discuss يعني you will discuss everything concerning tracks with people because we have in Slack channel in the Slack workspace we have different channels. Each channel for each track you will find people who are already enrolling in this track. You will find the questions and answers. So yes راح يكون النقاش عبر Slack channels. Also there will be like نقاشات وإلا راح يكونوا الannouncements أو الإعلانات من program managers ولا من mentors عن طريق Slack. Do I have to finish all the 5 courses? No يا تقوى مختار. No, you only have to finish 1 course at least. هل إذا بدأت الكورس في أول شهر مارس ده هيأثر عليه ولا لأ؟ Okay, so ريم I mentioned before إنه لازم حتى تخلصي at least 50% of the course في 15 أبريل يعني حتى April 15 you must finish at least 50% of the course. So we don't mind as long as you commit to the deadlines. Another one, ABC, XYZ. From your experience, hiring possibility in the field is promising to people they're certified by online courses. Okay, we will answer this question later, ABC, XYZ, but the initial answer is yes. Okay, راح نرجعوا this one. So, sorry, I will click on Google Data Analytics. As you can see, now there are details and everything. You will find details about a range of salary, entry-level salary and everything. If you want to enroll, I already enrolled this, so I finished it. So I can click on go to courses here, and it will redirect you to the courses tab. Okay, here, and I already finished all these. So yeah. So here, as you can see in data analytics, we have week 1, week 2, week 3 in the first course. And in the other courses also you will find from 1 to 5 weeks in each course. Okay, so that was it. We will see other questions. Other thing, I guess I answered the most frequently asked questions that were on Slack and people who are here asking us. We will answer your questions. يعني راح نجاوب على كل أسئلتكم الموجودة الآن في الشات. ولكن meanwhile I will go to المنتورز اللي نرحب بهم مرة أخرى. Thank you so much for joining us today. فقط معلومة، كل المنتورز الموجودين الآن نهى جعفر، آلاء حسين، جون عزيز، عبد الماجد، علي وعبد الرحمن خالد كانوا معنا في last edition يعني last year's edition وكانوا من ال first few people who finishes all courses. They were so successful in finishing it within a very short time. وكانوا أيضاً they contributed to help the community. Which community؟ يعني الأشخاص اللي كانوا معهم من قبل في يعني اللي كانوا معهم في scholarship كانوا يعاونوهم بنسبة كبيرة. يعني كانوا يجاوبوا على الأسئلة وكانوا they try to help them solving problems etc. Before going to the mentors, excuse me one thing. the thing that we offer in Google Scholarship. We offer a few things. We offer gifts. I will tell them about you at the end of the session. Please stay tuned. Okay, let's first start with Nuha Ja'far. Please, Nuha Ja'far, go ahead.
Hi everyone, thank you Marwa, and hi for all those who want to do this courses. And I'm going to introduce myself. I'm Nuha Ja'far. I'm UX designer. I'm designer, graphic designer, but actually I'm practicing UX design since some years, and I finished with this certificate on Google Coursera. So I'm actually also the founder of the UXers. I'm UX design trainer, and I'm UX design mentor at Google for Startup Accelerator. Thank you, Marwa.
Thank you endlessly, Nuha. Let's go to John.
أهلا بيكم كلكم معانا النهاردة، وcongratulations لكل اللي خدوا المنحة وهيكونوا معانا في السيزون ده. أنا جون، GDG Cloud Egypt Co-Organizer وGDSC Mentor، وبدرس هندسة الحاسبات في الأكاديمية الحديثة في مصر، وهكون منتور معاكم في IT Support Track. شكرا.
Okay, thank you so much, John. Thank you, Leslie, Nuha. Thank you, John. And let's go to Abdurrahman.
Sorry. Hello, everyone. My name is Abdurrahman. I'm a GDSC mentor as well, and I'm a Google Cloud Champion Innovator in AI and ML. I'm glad that you all are here and registered in the scholarship, and I will be mentoring you through the data analytics track.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Abdurrahman. And let's go to Áلاء. Welcome, Áلاء.
Okay, hi. Welcome, everyone. Congratulations to everyone who got accepted. And I really encourage everyone who didn't apply to apply. This is a great scholarship. A little bit introduction about me. My name is Áلاء Hussein. I came from an electronics and communication background. I major in electronics and communication. Now I'm a member in GDG Aswan, and I will be one of the mentors of IT automation with Python course.
Okay, thank you so much, Áلاء. Welcome, Áلاء. Okay, and the last but not least, we have الماجد.
Okay, so congratulations for everyone who got accepted in this amazing scholarship. So my name is الماجد. I'm a Google Developer Student Club lead at the University of Khartoum. I'm also a last year student in electrical and electronic engineering at the University of Khartoum, and a GDG Cloud Emirates co-organizer. I'm also a Google Associate Cloud Engineer certified, pursuing my career in cloud engineering. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yes, thank you so much, Abdelmajid. And Abdelmajid will be mentor in Google Projects Management Professional. Thank you so much, guys, for this pretty amazing introduction about yourselves. As I mentioned before, Nuha, Áلاء, John, and Abdelmajid, and also Abdurrahman were part of last year's edition, last year's scholarship, and they were pretty amazing learners, and they made it till they became mentors this year. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, so since now you know Nuha, you know Áلاء, John, Abdelmajid, and Abdurrahman, I want to let you know that there will be other mentors who are not with us today, but they will be mentoring beside Nuha and Áلاء, John, Abdelmajid, and Abdurrahman. Okay, now I'm gonna let John give us an introduction about the IT support track. Okay, go ahead, John.
شكرا مروى. ال IT Support Specialization هو متقسم ل5 كورسات. بنبدأ مع بعض في أساسيات الدعم الفني اللي هو ال Technical Support Fundamentals، هنتعلم فيه عن السوفت وير بتاع الأجهزة أو الهاردوير، وبعدين الكورس الثاني هتتعلموا فيه عن النتوركس، الشبكات والطبقات بتاعتها المختلفة، النتورك لايرز، بعدين هتتعلموا عن الاوبريتنج سيستمز، هم متخصصين في تو اوبريتنج سيستم اللي هم اللينكس والويندوز، وازاي نتعامل معاهم وازاي نكتب كوماند لاين اوامر للكوماند يعني. وبعدين هنتعلم عن السيستم ادمنستريشن او اداره الانظمه. واخيرا هنتعلم عن الاي تي سيكيورتي او المجال في الامان في مجال الاي تي. هنتعلم عن التهديدات المختلفه اللي بتواجهنا كاي تي سبورت سبيشالست، وازاي نقدر نتعامل معاهم ونتغلب عليهم. وزي ما مروه قالت لكم، انتوا عندكم الامكانيه ان انتوا تتعلموا بالعربي او بالانجليزي، ومش هتكونوا محتاجين اي معرفه مسبقه، لان الكورس ده معمول للبيجنرز. فانتوا كل حاجه هتبتدوها من الصفر. فانتوا مش يعني انا انصح اي حد ما يعرفش اي حاجه ان هو يبتدي بالكورس ده، لان هو انترودكتوري بس.
Okay, thank you so much, John. Inshallah, now you have a clear picture about IT support والthings والelements اللي متكونة منهم هذا الكورس. As John mentioned, you don't have to have like a background على IT support ولا على computer engineering, computer science, whatever في الtech. You just have to, if you're into the things that John was mentioning, you can go ahead and enroll. And as also we mentioned, it's for beginners level. Let's now go to Abdurrahman. He will tell us a bit about the data analytics course. Go ahead, Abdurrahman. Good luck.
Okay, awesome. So the data analytics course consists of about 8 courses. So you will start with the foundations of data. You will know how data is collected and what is the data life cycle, how you deal with data, and just an overall quick introduction about the track in general. And then you will go through the process that the data go through with data analysts. So you will go with the second course, which is ask questions to make data-driven decisions. And then you will go and after you collect the data and ask the right questions or the question that matters on how the data will be collected, you will go to preparing data for exploration, which is the third course. After that, you will go with processing the data, cleaning the data, making it ready to the next course, which is analyzing data to answer the questions that you have before. And then you will share the data through visualizations and share your insights as well that you have accumulated from the data. And after that, you will do some analysis with R programming. And at the end, you will have a capstone project that will highlights all the knowledge that you have accumulated through the certificate. And you will do real-world cases throughout the certificate, which is really, really fun and really beginner-friendly. It has a really easy and learning curve as well. So I hope you enjoy it. Back to you.
Okay, thank you so much, Abdurrahman. Yes, the thing that everything Abdurrahman mentioned is data analytics course is it's so good, and it can benefit you in many different ways. I enrolled it, and it was so fun, and yeah, it benefits me a lot. Okay, now let's go to Áلاء, who will tell us more about the IT automation course. Good luck, Áلاء.
Yes, thank you, Maro. ال IT automation with Python كورس متقسم 5 أجزاء. أول جزء في الأول هيركز على إيه لغة البايثون أساسا، وهنتعلم لغة البايثون من الصفر. فعلشان كده أنا بنصح جدا الناس اللي ما تعرفش حاجة، يعني حتى لو مش عارف أي حاجة عن اللغة ما تقلقش، يعني الجزء ده هتتعرف عليه اللغة من البداية للنهاية. وفي آخر الجزء في اخر الجزء الاول هنربط البايثون بالاوتوميتد تاسك. ايه الاوتوميتد تاسك دي استخدامات للبرمجه بنكرر بيها اي تاسك متكرر. يعني بدل ما احنا حاجه ان احنا نعملها مانيوالي، حاجه بتتكرر احنا نعملها مانيوالي، احنا بنكتب كود فهو بيكرر الموضوع ده. تاني جزء هيتكلم عن استخدام لغه البايثون في التعامل مع الاوبريتنج سيستمز سواء كانت ويندوز او لينكس او ماك او اس. تالت جزء في الكورس هيتكلم عن الجيت والجيت هاب، وازاي ان احنا نستفيد من ال VCS او ال Virtual Control System ان احنا نشتغل مع تيم كبير، وبحيث ان الكود حتى لو حد غير فيه في النص ما نبقاش ان احنا نقدر ان احنا نرجع تاني لو حصل فيه بج. هنعرف كل حاجة في الجيت والجيت هاب والفيرتشوال كنترول سيستم. رابع جزء هيركز على طريقة اكتشاف المشاكل والحل، الديبج بتاع الاي تي انفراستراكشر. ده جزء لذيذ جدا انا استمتعت بيه شخصيا. خامس جزء ده هيتكلم عن ازاي ان احنا نقدر نستخدم الاوتوميشن علشان نعمل عمليات كتير على نطاق اوسع، ونطبق كود على اجهزه كتير مره واحده، سواء كانت الاجهزه دي فيزيكلي موجوده عندنا او الاجهزه دي على الكلاود، عباره عن فيرتشوال ماشين على الكلاود. كل الحاجات دي احنا هنعملها عن طريق التدريب على كويك لابس مثلا، فالكلام لطيف جدا يعني. واخر حاجه خالص ان احنا هنجمع كل المعلومات من الاجزاء الخمسه دي كلها، وهنحل مشاكل بجد بتحصل في الاي تي، ممكن ان انت كمان تصادفها بعد كده لما تشتغل كمسؤول اي تي بعد كده يعني. كورس لطيف جدا يعني.
Okay, thank you so much, Ala, for this beautiful introduction to the IT automation with Python. So also Ala said that you will start by learning what's Python programming language. So it might benefit you in many and different ways. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to the most famous and wanted course ever, which is project management. To you, Abdelmajid, go ahead.
Okay, so I'll start talking about the project management course in 4 points or 4 questions. So what is the project management course? So it's basically a course that introduces us to project management. The course will have about 6, it's a program, it has 6 courses. So the goal is you need to understand what is the project management process and how it goes. So you'll follow a certain kind of structure. So who is it for? It's for everyone. So it's what's special about this course is everyone in other courses lean on taking this course as a second one. Why? Because it's for everyone. Everyone, people in all kinds of career will benefit from this course, and especially leaders who want to lead their company's goals. How is it structured? The structure goes into the first course. We'll talk about an introduction to project management, what it is, so the foundation of it, and the next 4 courses will follow the project management lifecycle, what happens in each stage of the project. So the first stage is initiating. You'll learn how to initiate projects, define the scope that you want. The second one is you'll learn how to plan. It's planning, so you learn how to plan for completing your project. The 4th course will talk about executing your project. So the role of the project manager in executing is all about communicating with your team, making sure that you're aligned with your goals, and also you'll monitor the progress. So that's the 4th course. The 5th course, before the last stage, we'll talk about how Agile project management works. So project management nowadays have 2 main methodologies: the standard project management with the standard method, and the Agile method. The Agile method is like it's not a new thing, but it's used in many new tech companies, because it takes the project into split them into not a start or an end. So it's something that goes into different kind of sprints every now and then you sit with your team, define new goals, execute them, something like that. So the fifth course talks about this method. The last one is about finalizing your project. So you'll analyze how you did well in your project, and also do some kind of retrospective where you come back to your plan to see if you're aligned with all your goals, stakeholders are good with what you did. You'll also try to improve within other projects. So it's a learning process, So yeah, so that's pretty much it. So the output of this course is when you're prepared for introductory level role in project management. So you'll be competent in all the project lifecycle phases, which are initiating, and planning, executing. Also, you'll learn about the both traditional and agile project management. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll talk later about something else. So yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Abdel-Majid, for this brief introduction about the PMP certificate. And last but not least, the most creative part of the whole program is UX design. Please go ahead, Noha.
Thank you, Marwa. So actually for the user experience design path or track, it's for beginners and all those who want to learn user experience design from scratch. So you don't need any other knowledge on user experience. So the whole path is about 7 lessons. It will be about 200 hours. So it's not too long, but actually you need courage to finish it. And actually you need to discuss with your peers and with the community actually to have the courage to finish it. So for the first lesson, it will be around foundation of user experience design, and it will explain all the courses, the content of the user experience path. For the second course, it will be about actually the user experience design process, how to empathize, define and started ideation. For the third part, it will be building wireframes and actually bringing those idea to life with low fidelity prototype. The fourth course will be about how we can conduct user experience research and test early concepts, because user experience design is about testing, going through a user experience and users, getting feedbacks actually to improve our products. The fifth course will be about creating high fidelity designs and prototypes in Figma. And it's actually a good opportunity for those who want to practice. And this is it, because user experience design is not user interface design, but we can explain our ideas with user interface, elements, buttons, and interactions. The sixth course, it's about responsive web design in Adobe XD. And this is actually, I like this part because we do work with Figma in this course and in the path of user experience design. And we do actually learn Adobe XD in case of we need it. And the seventh lesson is for design user experience for social good, and this is so important actually for Google, and prepare for jobs. And this is an interesting part actually, how we can actually prepare our case studies, because the question is always how I can show people that I'm user experience designer and I have actually real projects and I can apply for a job. And in this lesson, actually, there's everything in it: how to apply for jobs, how to do interviews, how to show that you are actually qualified as user experience designer. And in the final, you will have a link that you can actually send to apply for a job. So if you finish it, I can say congratulations to everyone finished the UX design path. And actually, I encourage you to enroll in this path actually. Thank you, Marwa.
Okay, thank you so much, Noha. Thank you so much to all the mentors. Now we know the mentors, and beside these mentors, there will be others. You'll get to know them during the program. Thanks for you once again. I have to answer some of the questions. So we have Mac Akasha. 50% on any specific track, actually 50% for like any track you enroll. Okay, so you, for example, you choose the IT automation. By mid-April, you must finish 50% of the track. We have Pooja Karmakar, yes, super excited for this journey. Thank you. Marmar Word, she's saying أين أجد المحتوى. So basically, yeah, Marmar, if you joined if you applied for this scholarship and you got accepted, you got invited to Slack and to Coursera. All these, let's say, all these content, you'll find it on Coursera. Me and Briki is saying June 15th is for finishing a course or the whole track, because the certificate is for the track, I guess. Yes, June 15th is for finishing the whole track. For example, the whole UX design course, or the whole PMP course, or the whole data analytics course, etc. Why? So we have Hadi Saab saying, why should we finish 50% by mid-April if we have till June 15th? Okay, why you should finish 50%? Because if you can't commit finishing 50% in the first 2 months, then you can't finish the whole of it in the next 2 months. And I guess there will be other people who need it more. So we want here in this program, we aim to give people who deserve opportunities. We want to give them opportunities that they need to boost their skills and enhance their skills in tech. So we have a tutorial. Another question: can we join 2 tracks? Yes, of course, but first you must finish 1 track, all of it. Okay. Java, there, no. Mustafa, so sorry, we don't have Java. Please share. Yusri Muhammad Magdi, he's saying, please share the link for applying. Okay, we are going to share the Bamboo Geeks website. Please enter to Bamboo Geeks website and apply from there. If there is not, okay, Tahar Hmeida, if there is not mail in inbox or spam, how can I get the invite? Please, if you already joined our Slack workspace, try to get to one of the program managers or facilitators, me, or we have Shaima and Sarah. Try to reach one of them and we will help you solving this problem. If we have Shiva, if we manage to complete 1 certification, is it possible to pursue another one as well? Yes, for sure. Like if we manage to complete it before the given date, yes, for sure. Can we join 2 tracks? These are questions that are repeated. Yes, you can. Can you tell us, please, what scholarship is exactly? No name. Okay. I explained this, but this scholarship, هي منحة. Scholarship is given to people who want to boost their career in tech, in IT support, IT automation, Google projects management, UX design, and data analytics. Okay, is this scholarship open now? Ayman Sibarani, yes, it is open now. Please check the Bamboo Geeks website, and you will find the form there. Is it possible to finish all tracks? Actually, if you want to finish all tracks, you need to work harder. Like you have 4 months, you need to finish each track in 1 month. You need to work harder. There are 4 items for the scholarship. Yes, please share with us the deadlines. The primary deadlines you have is by January 28th, you must join Slack and Coursera and start learning. By mid April, you must finish 50% of the track you enrolled, and by June 15th, you must finish all the track. Will we have a commit to commit a particular study plan? Hisham Abdallah, the mentors or program managers and the mentors will give you a plan how to study and how to finish this track in the given time. And you have the right to follow the mentors because they studied before it and they finished it before, or you choose your own, but you have to commit to the deadlines. ممكن رابط الموقع. Okay, it's shared with you. If we finish 2 courses, I will take 2 certificates. سطور العلم. Yes, for sure, you will get 2 certificates. نستطيع ناخذ شهادات في كل كورسات. كريم ملومي. Yes, if you manage to finish all the courses, you will get the all certificates. Ok, Nordin Sadour. Pourquoi le cours de gestion de projet ne prend pas-il en charge la langue arabe dans la traduction de ces leçons? D'accord. Nordin, on a déjà expliqué ça. We already explained this. It's not related to us. It's related to Coursera. These courses are on Coursera, so they are responsible for the traduction. It's for the translation. It's given in English. Only the IT supports. It's available in Arabic. Are there going to be YouTube lives? Anwar Aisani, there will be live sessions, but they will be private, not on YouTube. هل في اختبارات؟ Sarah 23, yes, there will be assignments and weekly challenges on Coursera. Can you share the URL to register? Bahauddin Sagar, please check the Bamboo Geeks website account. For IT support in Arabic, is it the same content in English, one with the same tutor, or does it have an Arabic subtitle? John, can you please answer this? So Usama, he's asking if the same content in English is the same as in Arabic, and the tutors, are they the same or they are different?
Actually, I didn't try to enroll in the Arabic course, so I don't know. But I think that they will use the same tutors, but with Arabic
translation is in
yeah.
Yes, I believe the same. Yes, it's the same, but there are like Arabic translation. Yes. Would I receive a certificate as a Sudanese? Yes, of course you will. Akasha, yes, you will receive a certificate as a Sudanese resident because it doesn't matter where you're from, okay? It only matters like who you are, your real name, okay? On the certificates, they will put your name, not your country. Is there any final exam to get Google certificates? Yes, there will be final assignments or final exams or weekly challenges, etc. He can copy and paste to translate using Google Translate. Yes, you can always use Google Translate to finish the tracks, and even it's a good opportunity to learn English and to practice English more. أنا أدرس حاليا كورس علم البيانات Data Analytics، كورس جميل جدا ولكن أحيانا ممل أحيانا شيق. Okay, it depends on you, Norhan, because for me and for Abdurrahman it was definitely and always it was fun. It depends on you and the excitement. We will try to motivate you with Abdurrahman and the other mentors to always keep you hyped to study and everything. Sarah Darbib, should we fill the form you were talking about after already being accepted for the scholarship? No, Sarah, the form is for people who want to apply and to join us in this program. If you're already accepted, so no need to fill the form. Do we have to buy the Slack app, Betul? No, the Slack app, you can use it on your laptop, yani on browser, or you can download the desktop app, or you can use it on your phone. هل يوجد كورسات متقدمة بعد ما أخلص؟ Okay, so basically the courses we have now, they are from beginner till you became not an expert, but you have knowledge. كورسات متقدمة, we don't have it now, but inshallah we will have it in the next editions. Is the project management certification can help us to exam PMP? Muntathir Rasul is asking ya Abdul Majid, is the project management certification can help to...
That's a pretty good question. So by the way, when you have it, it will help because in most of the course they put the references from the PM book. So that's the thing, it helps a lot. The most important thing that it helps is when you take the project management professional exam, when you want to take it, in the profile they ask you if you did some kind of 35 hours training before you take the exam. So that's a condition. So the good news is when you take this course, the 35 hours will be accepted as a training. So that's a really good thing.
Yes. Thank you so much, Abdelmajid. We have another question from Al-Ayesh Boucharib. Hello. If these certificates are recognized, yes, they are recognized and very well recognized. Is there any final exam to get the Google certificate? Yes, I already answered this, Asma. أوكي، إذا كنت حاليًا داخل برنامج يجب إكماله أو أولًا للانتقال إلى آخر. Yes, it's better يا حليمة to finish one and then go to the other one. When I enter my email to follow my progress, it says that it's already there, but it does not appear where I have finished. So, Dalia, please try to contact facilitators on Slack, me or the others, and we will try to solve to explain this to you. Okay. We have Mohammed Hamadan. Salam, I clicked the application form. It says deadline to apply is February 7th. Okay. We extended it, and the team will work to fix this. The application is still open. Please apply. Okay, let's see other questions, or let's ask Álaء now a question, which will be, Álaء, please tell us all, what was the greatest benefit you got from this scholarship?
Okay, well, many great benefits I got from this scholarship. First, I shifted from knowing nothing in Python to Excel and know how to write automated tasks and solve real-world IT problems. So this is a great benefit. Another benefit that initially I was always interested in IT automation, and this scholarship with its great plan helped me focus on studying, because when you have a plan, you can't really procrastinate things. So this was a great benefit for me to focus and really finish the course.
Okay.
Another thing is this scholarship has a very structured curriculum. It's not only the course, it's the questions. They have questions, their questions are organized in a very good way, which boosts your confidence. I've took many different courses before, but because there wasn't many applying on, there wasn't many questions that I apply or for it, so this helped me a lot. The
Yes.
question systems, you know, when you have a structured questions, you can focus and you solve real world problems. So the solving thing, yeah, I mean, I worked on Quick Labs, I solved automated tasks on Quick Lab and stuff. So this really helped me to gain boost in my Excel. I excel in my confidence, which really appreciate this in the program so
Okay,
much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Álaء. Yes, it's already helped. It's helped us all in some way. Okay, Abdelmajid, what about you? Please, in few words.
Okay, so the cool thing about the project management course is that you'll instantly notice yourself implementing the methods instantly in your daily life. So me as a Google Student Club lead, I started implementing, while I'm doing the course, I started implementing some kind of methods while I'm working on my team. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Very good, very interesting. Yes. So as you can see, everyone, from knowing nothing to knowing, let's say 60%, 80%, it definitely helped everyone to start career from somewhere. Okay, the next question I have for John, Nuha, and Abdurrahman. How did this certificate help you in your, let's say, in your life and your career especially? Let's start with Abdurrahman.
Okay, sure. The certificate helped me a lot in finding more about data. Especially, I was interested in data analytics, how data can be formed to make business-driven decisions. As you all might know, data is a very, very essential thing in almost every organization. Even in your day-to-day life, you will deal with data a lot. So it helped me form an analytic way of thinking about data and how to extract useful information from it. Also, it helped me to explore different technologies like SQL, spreadsheets, or Tableau, and other data visualization tools. It helped me as well in a little bit of the management aspect on how to deal with stakeholders and asking questions, sharing with them your insights on how data are being analyzed and shared with others as well. So it's a really, really good course, a friendly one as well, a beginner-friendly one. And it will help you as well in the course. I believe in all courses and all tracks, it will help you as well create a portfolio for you with
Yes.
real-world scenarios and even a resume as well. So it's a very good thing to be included in the program. So
Yes,
yeah.
thank you so much, Abdurrahman, for your answer. It certainly helped some people who are here. Let's go to Noha. So Noha, how did this certificate help you?
So first of all, the content is amazing. So having all the content in one place was something great. Second, actually, in the whole world, there is no actually academic certification recognized. So having this certificate by Google, it's always something amazing. And knowing other people, some other peers, to share with them the content, to share with them exercises you did. Since the user experience design path is with testing, with users, so it's also something amazing. So this is it.
Yes, thank you so much, Noha. And what about you, John?
أنا اتعلمت الأساسيات عن مجال الاي تي. أنا هحاول أميكس ما بين الأرابيك والإنجليش. So I learned the basics of IT, fundamentals of it. يعني احنا كتير بنسمع كلمة الاي تي بس احنا مش عارفين معناها بالظبط. بس انا بعد ما خدت السكولرشيب حاسس ان انا بقيت عارف ايه هو الاي تي بالظبط ده وايه هي الأقسام المختلفة ليه. يعني we always hear a lot about the word of IT and IT support specialist, but we don't know what it actually means. But after I took this scholarship, I knew exactly what is IT and what is the different parts and aspects of it. I learned how to deal with different operating systems like Linux and Windows better. فتعلمت برضو ان انا اعرف ازاي اتعامل مع الاوبريتنج سيستمز المختلفه. اتعلمت كتير عن الشبكات وده خلاني افكر ازاي اكمل اكتر في المجال ده لانه عجبني. فانتوا ممكن تاخدوها كفرصه ليكم ان انتوا تستكشفوا حاجه جديده بالنسبه لكم ما تعرفوش عنها اي حاجه، لان ده فرصه كويسه لكده، لان هو بيبدا معاكم من الزيرو. I learned a lot about networks and it was a new thing for me and it helped me to discover it and I loved it and I wanted to complete like adding to the knowledge that I gained from this course. And أخيرا هو جهزني عشان آخد ال IT Automation Specialization لأن ال IT Support هو prerequisite لل IT Automation course. فلو أنتوا حبيتوا تاخدوا ال IT Automation فال IT Support أكيد هيساعدكم في كده. فلما تاخدوا two specializations مع بعض هتكون حاجة لطيفة جدا بالنسبة لكم كلكم. في السمر اللي فات ساعدني ان انا اكون شغال كاي تي في شركه ستارت اب لمده معينه.
Hey, thank you so much, John, for your contribution. Thank you so much to all of you, the mentors. So we still have we're tied up in time, so we try to answer some other questions. But before that, I have to mention something, that we have some gifts or awards for our learners. We have some pretty amazing awards for them. So the first thing is, for the first 10 learners in each track, يعني first 10 learners who finishes their courses, يعني first 10 in each track, will be featured individually on Bumbleweek social media with their success stories. اوكي سو عندنا 10 اشخاص الفيرست اللي خلصوا their courses راح نشاركوا their certificates with their pictures and their success stories on BumbleGeek's social media. So this is the first award. The second award is the first 100 learners in each track, يعني the first 10 learners who finishes track first will be invited to 10 days for the 2 days upskill trainings. Okay, upskill training. This upskill training, we will discuss it later on Slack. Okay, the third thing is we will also send swag for some people. Yani first few people who finish the tracks. Also, we have yes. So عندنا the first 20 people who finishes their courses in each track. We will send them swag. So these things will always motivate you, like swags. You will be featured on social media. We will celebrate you on Slack. We will celebrate you on the events. We will have hackathons. We will have study jams and everything. We will all celebrate. So these things, or these kind of awards, are all we try to offer them to just motivate you. Let's answer the last question. So there is someone, Tawfiq Hassani, is saying, si je m'efforce à finir mon parcours avant la date limite, est-ce que j'ai la possibilité de poursuivre un autre parcours? Merci beaucoup. So he's asking if he finishes at least one track before the deadline, can he, or does he have the possibility to enroll another one? I'm saying to Mr. Tawfiq Hassani, yes, for sure, you can enroll another one if you manage to finish one before June 15. So Marwan Zuwaid is asking something really important. Do Google career certificates have an expiration date like TensorFlow certificate? This is the good news about these certificates, is they will never expire. So once you have the certificate, they will never expire. So Nora is saying, كيف أعرف أن إذا تم قبولي? You will receive invitation from Slack to join Slack and to join us on Coursera platform. The data analytics include practicing Python or not? So basically, Abdurrahman mentioned this before. It doesn't include in practicing Python, but it does include practicing programming languages R. Okay, let's see. Another interesting question from Halima. هل هناك فرص للوظائف بعد إكمال الدورات والحصول على الشهادات وشكرا? Yes, you will receive because you will create portfolios. So you will be able to apply for jobs such as as data analysis, project manager, for example. Okay, so what does this certificate, Sarah is asking, what does this certificate stands for in professional level? What opportunities would it open for us? So basically, since you can see it's Google's, you will be Google certified, and they are professional certificates, so they will benefit you in one way or another. You will get the chance to, especially if you add these certificates on your LinkedIn profiles, you will be seen and recommended when, for example, when companies are looking for such set skills like yours. So your profile will appear. I have, let's say, one last question. But before this, Ala Irfan is asking, I have problem verifying my Coursera account. What should I do? So these kind of things, ID confirmation or ID verification in Coursera, please try to contact the managers. They will help you to get through it. Can I take another talk if I want to change? Yes, of course you can. Another one, هل يوجد أي community for data analysis or science in Dubai? Try to look, Mr. Tariq. I'm asking if there is a timetable or you can learn anytime you want. So Skandar is asking, as we mentioned, you have flexible schedule, but the mentors and the program managers will help you to find or to set time daily or weekly basis to finish the track quickly. So these are all the questions or most frequent questions. Please, if you have any other questions, you can ask us on Slack. You can also try or ask each other in the channels. You will find channels. You can also ask the mentors. You can ask the managers. You can ask each other as learners. One last question I have before we end this session, and let me ask this question to Noha. Yes, Noha, why do you think they should apply in this scholarship?
Because they will learn something new, many new things, not only one thing. And actually, doing this with the community is something amazing.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Noha. Okay, let's go to Abdul Majid. Why do you think they should apply in this scholarship?
Well, actually, the thing about the Google Scholarship, one of the different things about it, people can take Coursera courses, right? But in the Google Scholarship, you'll have this kind of community. Well, you'll have your own mentors. There'll be sessions during the program which will keep you hyped up. People will help you out. There will be some kind of peer-to-peer learning. Well, you'll have people on your group. You'll have a group for your own Slack for your own specialization that you chose. So you'll have a community. That's one of the many things that you'll get on this program, which is different from anywhere else.
Okay, thank you so much, Abdul Majid. Okay, let's ask John another question. John, what's the advice you would give to the new learners, as you're recognized as an ex-learner and a mentor?
أظن النصيحة اللي هقولها لأي ليرنر جديد إن حاولوا تخلوا الكورس كحاجة مش حاجة أساسية في يومكم، ولكن حاولوا تخلوها حاجة أنتوا بتاخدوها كل يوم. يعني ما تحاولوش تخصصوا وقت معين مثلا ساعتين كل يوم عشان أخلص فيه الكورس ده، لأن أنتوا هتلاقوا إن أنتوا هتزهقوا بعد فترة معينة من الوقت. لكن خلوها كحاجة فن بتقضوا فيها وقت، يمكن مثلا ربع ساعة في الصبح، ربع ساعة بالليل، فهتلاقوا إن الكورس بيخلص أسرع بالطريقة دي. كل ما تبقوا قاعدين حاسين إن أنتوا حابين تاخدوا الكورس تاخدوه بس.
Thank you, John. What about you, Ella? What's the advice you would give to the new learners? And as you will be mentoring them, don't forget this.
I would highly ensure them to focus on the schedule and to be connected on Slack. This is an important thing. We will share many different sessions on Slack, so they have to be connected and check it every day. I tend to forget to check my Slack, so this is common.
Yes.
I have to check it. This is important. And follow the schedule. So that's all.
Thank you so much, Ella. So we have a question from Hassan Babasidi. Est-ce qu'on doit être dans un club GDG pour inscrit? Non, pas forcément, Hassan. No, you don't have to be a member of GDG club or GDSC or anything. You can just apply as a normal, as an external person. Okay, and one last question to Abdurrahman. what are your expectations for this year in this program? As you can see there today, the engagement was crazy, and even on Slack, they are super active and everything. What do you expect from them as you are a mentor of data analytics? And there were a lot of questions concerning the data analytics.
I honestly expect awesome, unexpected progress from everyone. This new batch have been showing a lot of activity in Slack as well. And again, try to introduce yourself on Slack. Try to find someone who's interested in the same track as you. Try to work together. Try to help each other. And inshallah, you will do great and finish at least one, if not two or more certificates.
Inshallah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Abdurrahman. Thank you so much for all the mentors. So Hisham, he's saying it would be nice if you can show us the period of each program. Hisham, we will share this with you, or you can get back to the Google Professional Certificate Scholarship slides, and you will find everything there. We will share it again with you on Slack. So yes, it's shared with you here. Thank you so much, everyone, for your attendance. It's well appreciated. Also for the mentors, Nuha, Ala, John, الماجد, Abdurrahman. Even thanks for the mentors who are not here with us today. They will join us later on. Thank you so much, guys, for your attendance one more time. وإن شاء الله نشوفكم on Slack. سلام.